Hey, hi guys, welcome to PCF. So in our previous videos, so we have seen even system defined functions like string functions, we have seen aggregation functions and date diff functions. Okay, if you haven't watched that videos, okay, I'm strongly recommend to watch that videos. Okay, so functions, okay, built-in functions are there. Okay, so if you go here, so just a minute. Okay, so if you want to see the built-in functions, guys, okay. So if you go to your programmability, there is a functions. Okay, in the functions we have two different types of functions like so user-defined functions and aggregation functions and system-defined functions. Okay, these are the system-defined functions. So we have discussed some of those like aggregation functions and string functions, datetime functions we discussed. Okay, so those are built-in functions. Already SQL Server has created some of the functions like a string function, like okay, uppercase. Okay, it's expecting some parameters, case. Okay, some of the functions will expect the parameters. Okay, some of the functions will not expect the parameters. Okay, but it will return something. Okay, so the return it will return something. Okay, maybe those will not. Okay, parameters means providing the values inside. Okay, so it may expect the parameters and it may not expect the parameters. Okay, but it will return the output. Okay, it will return output. Okay, so those are about the function case. Okay, so these are system defined functions. Okay, so if you want to create a user defined functions also, we can create a user defined functions. So user defined functions are three types. The first one is a scalar user defined function, and the second one is inline table valid function, and third one is multi statement table valid function. Okay, three types of functions we have. So the scalar value means it return output single value. Okay, so it table valid function means these two will return the output as a table. Okay, it returns the output as a single value and this two returns output as a table. Okay, so that we will see tomorrow. Inline and multi table valid function we'll see tomorrow. For now we'll see the scalar value. What is the scalar user defined function, guys? Okay, so scalar user defined function. So user, if you want to create, you can create. And also, okay, so if you don't know the syntax how to create and all, so you don't worry, guys. Okay, you can go here. Okay, so if you go to here and then, so if you go in scalar value and then right click. Okay, so just click on new scalar value. Okay, so remove all this text and all. Okay, this is the things. Okay, you can remove and even. Okay, so the author and everything, if you want to remove, you can remove it. Okay, so the syntax, see. Okay, create function name. Okay, so then after you can create a parameter. Okay, so then after you can create a, so this is total whatever the brackets are there, so that is function name. Okay, so here I'm going to create the calculate age, guys. Okay, calculate age. Okay, function name as calculate age. So just I'm taking. Okay, if you don't know the syntax, just I'm telling. Okay, just take it. Okay, my function name is function fn and then calculate age. Okay, if you want to add a parameter, you can add the parameter here. Okay, so my parameter is date of birth dob and then so the data type. Okay, so here you can create a date of birth. So this is my and then syntax. Okay, the data type case. Okay, so you can go here and then you can replace it. Okay, so that is our parameter name. And then again return the data type. Okay, which data type you want to return. Okay, so that is integer. So just I am returning the data type as an integer. So I want age calculation in the number. Okay, so that I want to return. Okay, so same syntax as begin end. Okay, as begin end. So your function body is there. So first you have to declare the variable. Okay, so that is the reason I have declared the variable now. Okay, so I will declare the variable like, so my variable is, okay, so declare age int. Okay, so declare. Okay, so declare function is there. So my variable is, okay, at the rate age. Age is my, and then so what is the data type? Okay, data type is int. Okay, so done. Okay, declaration is done. And then after you want to set the values. Okay, so set the values into. Okay, so next so I have written here set. Okay, at the rate age is equal to, okay, at the rate age is equal to so date diff. Okay, date diff. Okay, date diff. So what is the interval? Okay, what is the interval? What is the interval? And then so the data, the date of birth. Okay, so DOB, so the variable we declared here, right? So we'll take that variable here. Okay, so we'll take the variable here, and then so get date. Okay, so it will take the get date as an end date. Okay, get date as an end date, and then close. Okay, and then close bracket case. Okay, and then whatever you want to return, so that return. Okay, age you want to return, right? So you can take the age. Okay, and then return, so you can write. Okay, that's it case. Okay, so this, so everything. Okay, you don't, if you don't know the syntax, just follow. So whatever the instruction it has given, so just execute it. Okay, it will create a function name. Okay, function has created successfully. Now how to call the function guys? Okay, how to call the function? Okay, just select. Okay, so if you so let me take this. Okay, so whatever the function it's created. Okay, so just take this function name. Okay, so if you try to, okay, so whatever the function, so uppercase, we are, how we are selecting, just select uppercase, right? Instead of that function name, so we are just keeping this function name, and then parameter DOB is there, right? So we have to pass some date of birth. Okay, so that is 1987, something like that, 04 something, so 09 something 04. Okay, so you can pass the value, and then you can get the output. Okay, so what is the age? But so you have to pass minimum. It will not execute for now. Why? Because so you have to pass minimum DOB. Okay, two-part name, minimum two-part name. Okay, if you want to add, okay, SQL class, that's fine. Okay, SQL class database name, it's fine. Okay, you can add more, that's a fine. But so minimum you need to add. Okay, without a two-part name it will not execute. Okay, so without two-part name it will not execute. So that is very, very important. So try to understand. Okay, even in DB, okay, database name also not there, so that will execute fine. But without a database name it will not execute, guys. Okay, so try to understand that point. And whatever the function you want to, so where it is created and all. Okay, it's a scalar function, right? So it's created here. Okay, it's created here. Okay, so then, okay, I have already table is there. Okay, I have already table is there. Select. Okay, so if you go here, so there is a table age calculation. Okay, so select the table, and you want to see the, okay, employees age. Okay, employees age. Okay, select start from. Okay, select start from. Okay, employee age. Okay, so there is a ID, name, and a date of birth. Okay, so I want to see the age. Okay, so you can keep comma, and then you can take this one. Okay, so open bracket, and instead of providing values manually, so I will give the DOB. Okay, DOB. Okay, date of birth, I will pass the date of birth here. So whenever it's passed the values, okay, whenever this value is passed, so it will give the age of this person. And whenever this date is passed, so it will give the age of this person. Whenever this date passed, okay, it will give the age of this person. Okay, then execute it. Okay, so it's giving the, so if you want to, you can name it. Okay, age. Okay, if you want, you can name it age. Okay, so that is the beauty. Okay, you can call a function in the select statement, as well as you can call it in the where class also. Okay, so wherever, so you can go here, and then so just, okay, just you can go here, and then you can select a where class case. Okay, in where class you want to see the age. Okay, age greater than, okay, age greater than 30. So if you want to see who are greater than 30, so you can specify that. Okay, and then execute it. Okay, so in where class also you can use it and execute it. Okay, so and if you want to see less than 30 also, you can go, and then so whatever it may be, guys. Okay, whatever it may be, if you want to, so you can do it. Okay, you can do it. And also you can so if you want to alter, okay, if you want to alter the script, okay, so function, okay, if you want to alter the function, just right click, and you can go to script as a function, and then you can go here, and then you can write a alter. Okay, so if you want anything alter, okay, you can go, and then you can alter the function, guys. Okay, so alter means modification of the function. If you want to do any modification, you can do by using alter function name. You can modify that, guys. Okay, and if you want to drop the function, so use the drop function name. Okay, and then drop. Okay, it will drop. Okay, so function name, and then it will drop. That's it. Okay, so see, this is about the scalar defined function. Okay, hope you like the video, guys. Okay, if you like the video, please share and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed. And tomorrow tomorrow video we'll discuss about the table valued function, guys. Okay, how to create the table valued functions and all. We'll see tomorrow. Okay, so thank you. That's it for today. Thank you, guys.